How do we digest food by Andrew, Caleb, and Hugo. This is a paper slide video about the human digestive system and how it works. The mouth. First of all, you eat the food, otherwise called as ingestion. As you eat the food, the mouth chews the food so that it has a larger surface area to make it easier to digest. Also, the enzymes in your mouth, which are amylase, break down the starch to maltose. Also, the pH of the mouth is neutral, which means none of digestion can take place in the mouth. The esophagus. In the esophagus, the food moves down the throat by the use of muscles. Even if you're upside down, the food will still go down your esophagus. The name of the food which goes down the throat is called the bolus, the stomach. The process which takes place in the stomach is called digestion, which means the pH of the stomach is 1.5, which means it's acidic. The function of the stomach is to kill bacteria and make the pH right for the pepsins to work. The pepsins are the enzymes which are released in the stomach, the small intestine. In the small intestine, the process that takes place in the small intestine is digestion and absorption, which absorbs the minerals and vitamins. The enzymes which are released in the small intestines are carbohydrates, proteases, and lipases. And also the bile, which comes from the liver, which gives the best pH, which is 7.6 for the enzymes to work in the bile, enters the small intestine from the bile duct. The bile is made in the liver and has two important jobs: to give the best pH for the enzymes in the small intestine to work. Also, it emulsifies fats, that means break down large drops of fats into droplets. This increases the surface area of fats for lipase enzymes to act upon. The small intestine has adapted by having a large surface area to make absorption easier.
The pancreas. The pancreas produces the pancreas juice, which contains proteins and lipids. The job of the pancreas is to finish the job of breaking down proteins and fats. It enters the small intestine from the duodenum, the large intestine. There is many things that the body can use once it reaches the large intestine, mostly just bacteria, dead cells, and water. As it passes, some of the water is absorbed through the blood, and then the feces are stored in the rectum. Anus. After the food goes through the large intestine, it exits through the anus, where most of the excretion is made from bacteria and fiber. Normally, this process takes about between 24 and 48 hours.
Thank you for watching our paper slide video.